Vladni podcast GOVSI.
The most successful disinformation is the one that has a little grain of truth that then gets manipulated. Then disinformation has an intent, which is malign. There's an intent to harm and to deceive. And that's also why we have another complementary term that is misinformation, which is the same. It's the false, inaccurate, misleading content, but that is shared without the knowledge of it being false. So there is let's say, a little cartoon that comes to my mind where basically the parents tell to a child who just received a new bicycle, "Oh, this is from Santa Claus." And in that case, the parents do know that it is not from Santa Claus, it's from them. So that would be disinformation. Of course, they don't have a malign intent there, but you get the idea. But when the child goes on to his friends and showing the new bike and saying, "Oh, look, I got it from Santa," that would be misinformation because he really does believe that it is from Santa.